This message has been requested by the Savannah Ministry of Public Health. A patient, named as Roger Anderson, has escaped from the Memorial Health University Medical Center in Savannah, with an unknown novel disease. The method of transmission and the symptoms are currently unknown. The police are currently trying to apprehend the patient. As a precaution, all residents within a 3-mile radius of the Memorial Health University Medical Center are advised to stay indoors and practice basic hygiene procedures. Stay tuned for further information on this situation. This message has been sent at the request of the Savannah Ministry of Public Health and the Georgia Health Administration. The novel disease, now known as ITVS-23a, has now infected around 600 people in the city of Savannah, along with dozens more in the surrounding towns. Due to the sheer speed of the spread, it is assumed that the virus is airborne. Therefore, all residents should stay indoors with all windows and doors closed and all ventilation systems turned off. New symptoms have also been discovered. These include, but are not limited to, nausea, headache, increased aggression, and vomiting. Patient 0, Roger Anderson, has still not been found. However, it is known that he is running around Savannah, making threats of some form of attack on the city, and acting irate. Please call 911 if he is in your area. Stay tuned for further information. The following message is transmitted by the Georgia Ministry of Public Health. The situation regarding ITVS-23a has worsened. Approximately 7,500 people have been infected, and hospitals are being overrun. New dangerous symptoms have been discovered. It is apparent that people infected with the disease will go into an aggressive homicidal state within hours of infection. If you or someone you know is infected, get to a hospital immediately. If your hospital is full, go to your doctor's office. A quarantine has been called for the state of Georgia, and the state's borders will be closed. Roger Anderson has still not been found. It is believed that he is armed with some sort of weapon and is dangerous. Residents in Savannah are advised to stay indoors and Attack warning. Attack warning. Roger Anderson has detonated a nuclear device that has destroyed the entire city of Savannah, and radioactive fallout will spread for hundreds of miles from the site. All residents residing south of Raleigh, North Carolina and east of the Mississippi must seek shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Stay in your shelter for at least 14 days after the attack. Grab food, water, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio for your stay in the shelter. Seek shelter now. Repeat, seek shelter now. All clear. The fallout has now cleared nationwide. The situation regarding Roger Anderson and ITVS-23a is as follows. Roger Anderson was killed instantly after the attack. Everyone who was infected with ITVS-23a have died due to radiation poisoning, and the fallout has cleared the airborne disease. Areas within 25 miles of Savannah, Georgia have been decimated. Savannah has been completely destroyed. Around 13,000 people with the disease died, and casualties from the blast are still unknown. It is now safe to leave your shelter. Repeat, all clear.